Hi, it's Ingrid here from Heart Harmony Communications, and I want to talk to you about Kate Toon's SEO course. Now, we had a new staff member join us. She was full of enthusiasm, but had zero SEO knowledge. And so, of course, we invested in Kate Toon's program. What I found when I was reviewing the course notes with our new team member each week was that Kate had covered all of the essentials for a good core foundation of SEO. She'd covered the technical aspects, on-site optimization, as well as some core copywriting components. Really good, solid program. We also found that I'd invested in a higher level program with Kate, and so I had a one-on-one session with her, and we used that to look at one of our passion projects that was getting a bit long in the tooth and we could no longer see the wood for the trees. Kate gave us some really good, fresh insights and helped us to see where we could actually optimize our program even further. All in all, I definitely recommend Kate Toon's course. Definitely take the program. It is worth the money because it will take your business to the next level.